Right, a WSH fence. We're going to actually plagiarise you with videos now, because I'm not helping you all. I want Marys to watch and Marys to follow and Marys to share and Marys to talk about me. These are these trellis panels. This is us on the job now, you see, right? Post is in the ground, that's to get concrete, that'll sit there. Now, put these in here, and I've got to be quick about this because I've got time limitations too, right? See this here, right? I'll do the pin start right. That's the depth of that hole, okay, right? We'll put in there to see how we insert in between. This fence is falling down. We're actually reinventing this fence, a reincarnation of a fence, because they're saving money with no needing a new fence, because the boards are nothing wrong with it, and this is nothing wrong with it. The posts will go in there, concrete, and the panels will go like that, panel post. Now, everybody's not got a track saw, right? So, I come up with ideas that you, my followers, can do with your basic DIY tools, right? Screw a board on there, measure. The best way to do it is this: measure the blade gap from there to there, which is 40mm. Set that at 41mm approximately, and then that way, you see how I've still to go down a bit there, right? I've reset it. You saw these off all the way along, 1.8 centres, take the board off, put the post in, dig the hole, put the concrete in, as easy as that. Now what could be easier? But I'll tell you the bigger task today. The bigger task is that there. That's come down. Believe it or not, all you Prestonians, that's a bomb shelter for World War II, no World War III. Maybe we need it shortly the way things is going. But that's a bomb shelter. And what I'll do is, see how this is done, I'll do you an update video of what it was like. And then we maybe get in a wee secret peek in there, because I've already been in that bomb shelter in 1942. Okay, see you all there, folks.